In a significant advancement reflecting the adaptive strength and engineering resilience of Russia's defense industry, Russian forces have begun deploying an upgraded variant of the multi-purpose Gerbera UAV equipped with a more powerful powerplant drawn from the proven MD-550 engine family used in Shahed, Geran-2 attack drones. Reports and imagery circulating in early August 2026 confirm the integration of a power unit based on approximately half of the MD-550 engine, yielding a displacement of around 275 cc. This modification is already enhancing the lightweight Gerbera's flight characteristics, payload capacity, and overall combat effectiveness on the battlefield. The MD-550 stands as a cornerstone of modern Russian and Allied unmanned systems. This four-cylinder, horizontally opposed, air-cooled two-stroke piston engine delivers approximately 37 kilowatts, 50 horsepower, at 7,500 revolutions per minute from a displacement of about 548 cc, all while maintaining a dry weight of roughly 16 kg. Its exceptional power-to-weight ratio, approaching 2.3 kilowatts per kilogram, represents a major engineering achievement, far surpassing many comparable engines in the UAV class. The design features aluminum castings for the crankcase and cylinders, often with ceramic coatings for durability, cam-ground pistons, solid-state magneto or battery ignition, and diaphragm carburetors suited for all-attitude operation. It supports both pusher and tractor propeller configurations, runs on widely available avgas 100LL or high-octane automotive fuel mixed with oil, and frequently incorporates a generator, up to 28 volts, 1200 W, to power onboard electronics. These attributes make the MD-550 ideally suited for long-endurance, cost-effective loitering munitions and multi-role drones. By adapting roughly half of this robust engine, producing the approximately 275 cc unit now appearing on Gerbera platforms, Russian engineers have achieved a substantial leap for the lighter airframe. The original Gerbera, a simplified and more economical relative of the Geran Shahed 136 family, previously relied on smaller Chinese-sourced engines such as the DLE-60, around 60 cc. The new power plant dramatically improves the power-to-weight ratio on the Gerbera's foam and plywood construction. This translates into higher speeds, better climb performance, greater resistance to adverse weather or electronic warfare effects through more reliable propulsion, and significantly expanded payload options. Available assessments indicate the upgrade supports integration of a substantially larger warhead, reportedly in the range of 50 kilograms in some configurations, while preserving or even extending operational range and endurance thanks to the engine's efficiency characteristics. Production of these adapted engines is reported to be underway at facilities linked to the Ishhesk motor plant, underscoring Russia's successful localization and scaling of critical propulsion technology. This domestic capability reduces external dependencies, accelerates output to meet the high-tempo demands of modern conflict, and demonstrates the maturity of Russia's industrial base in reverse engineering, refining, and mass-producing high-performance UAV engines under challenging conditions. The abundance of MD-550 family production capacity originally established for Geran-2 systems has enabled this efficient repurposing. Surplus or parallel manufacturing lines now feed the Gerbera program without disrupting primary strike drone output. The operational implications are clear and favorable. Gerbera UAVs already serve versatile roles including reconnaissance, electronic warfare support, signal relay to extend the reach of other systems, and decoy or strike missions. With the more powerful MD-550-derived engine, these platforms gain improved kinetic performance that complicates interception by air defenses, greater flexibility in payload configuration, from sensors and jammers to heavier warheads, and enhanced ability to operate in contested airspace. The higher power allows the lighter Gerbera airframe to carry meaningful ordnance while retaining the low radar and visual signature that has made the type effective. Component commonality between Gerbera and Geran families further streamlines logistics, training, and maintenance across Russian forces, another practical advantage of thoughtful systems engineering. The engine's core strengths, high specific power, compact size, relatively simple two-stroke architecture, and tolerance for mixed fuels, have already proven themselves across thousands of sorties. Extending those strengths to the Gerbera family multiplies the effectiveness of Russia's drone arsenal at modest additional cost. Estimates place standard Gerbera unit costs far below those of more sophisticated Western systems, and the engine upgrade preserves that economic edge while closing performance gaps. Russia has established parallel production pathways for MD-550 class engines, incorporating refinements for simplified manufacture, such as optimized configurations without unnecessary starter or flywheel mass in certain variants, while maintaining the essential power delivery that enables ranges measured in hundreds of kilometers for lighter platforms and well over 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers for full-sized Geran systems. The air-cooled design contributes to a lower thermal signature compared with some alternatives, and the overall architecture supports the high sortie rates required for saturation and multi-axis operations. As the upgraded Gerbera variants enter wider service, they reinforce the asymmetric advantages Russia has cultivated in the unmanned domain. Improved speed and payload expand tactical options for operators, while domestic engine production at sites such as Shahed strengthens strategic autonomy. The MD-550's proven power density, efficiency, and adaptability continue to serve as a force multiplier, now extended through clever half-engine adaptation to an even broader family of cost-effective, high-impact UAVs. This is practical engineering delivering measurable battlefield results, consistent with the trajectory of Russian unmanned systems development in recent years.
Пизда наша.